walk yesterday. Don't like peace and all that. And I understand. When I was out there,
It's your boy Crypto Blood, and I wanted to do a follow-up with Bityard. You know, I've been trading with them along with two other exchanges, and I really like Bityard because of the simplicity of it. You can swap back and forth between demo and live accounts. But what I wanted to highlight for you guys today is a way for you to make additional income with their very lucrative affiliate program over at Bityard. So if you have a following out there, I think this is a great tool for you to really make an additional stream of income through introducing people to the Bityard platform. So what I want to go over really quickly today is going to be a short video. I just want to highlight a couple of parts in this program that I think are important. You can go to bityard.com, or you can just use a link in the description of this video. And so the first benefit of this affiliate program with Bityard is the 40% commission. So if you bring one person in, you get 40% of the commission from their trades. That's pretty steep. The only other people I know doing that is Dudex. And secondly, you get a beginner's reward. So any new Bityard members can enjoy 3 months of bonuses. You can pick even in USDT. So if you have 5 to 10 monthly active users, that is 70 BYD tokens. And the definition of a valid user is a monthly deposit above 100 tokens. I should say USD tokens, and a monthly transaction of greater than 50,000 USD. So that's in leverage. They don't have to dollar for dollar actually trade 50,000 USDT, but basically in leveraged dollars. So it's not that much, especially when you have 100 to 1 leverage. And so thirdly, your potential for daily salary is broken down below. As you guys can see, trading volumes of above 50,000 USDT with 5 people or more. You're looking at roughly $5 in daily salaries, which will definitely add up. And again, the 50,000 is on leverage. So at 100,000 and at 10 people or more, you're talking about $10, 150,000 in trading volume, 15 people or more, $15 per day. And there are some stipulations there with the trading volume. Those statistics are counted between 6 and 5:55 the following day. Daily pay distribution time is the next day, 6 a.m. Singapore time. And note, if you place a deferred order, the results will be included on the next day. In addition to those daily salary bonuses, member bonuses also include $500 reward if you trade more than 5 million in USDT. That's a maximum monthly transaction volume in 3 months. At the $10 million mark, that's $1,000, and at the $15 million, that's $1,500 that you will be able to achieve there. And lastly, I just want to give you recommendations on the bonuses. You can enjoy rewards with your friends. Invite your friends to join Bityard. As soon as they reach the following goals, you will receive an amazing bonus. So with 5 active members or more trading around 3 million combined, you can receive $300. So you can see how this all adds up. 5 million, 10 people or more, $500. And the top tier is the 10 million in monthly transactions of 20 people or more. You will receive $1,000 in your trading account for you to either withdraw or trade with. So as you can see, I was going over the silver level of the KOLs at 40%. That never expires. Bronze is 30%. And the entry is the 5%, but that expires 6 months later. Something to think about. I'll leave a link again for you to check this out if you're interested, primarily as a YouTuber, influencer. If you're into trading, this may be an opportunity for you to earn extra revenue. I'm going to try to start, really doing this more. But I just love the platform. I like Bityard. Very simple. If you haven't seen me walk through their platform and their user interface, I'll leave a link to that video as well in the description below. But that's pretty much it. It's your boy Crypto Blood. Make sure you guys check that out. The links are in the comments below. I'm out of here. Holla.